All right, YouTube, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is Saturday, and Saturday is another one of those days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale here, and today I'm fishing with Miss Terri.
Hey, y'all.
Terry's one of these avid fishermen that I fish with. Terri, we fished ago, what, 2-3 years ago?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Y'all might want to check back into some of my archives. She and one of her friends was out here, and we put a hurting on those slabs, and we're going to see if we can do it again. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. So you see this big blob right there? That's the fish that we're gonna fish. So what this is telling us, this is how you read. So this is the tutorial part.
Okay.
So what this does is this is point. So if you look at this elbow, whichever way this elbow is pointing, that's the direction that these fish are gonna be. So these fish are pointing this, they're out that way. And this is telling me that they are, zero is right here. This is my zero. This is how far in front they are, and this is how far down they are. So those fish are about 8 feet. 8 feet. So you see the wind is blowing us. So those fish are right here, about 6 feet that way in front of us, and about 10 to 12 feet down. So you want to pitch out that way and let your bait fall. You'll see your bait falling. So come on up here. Let me show you how you do. Oh! Oh, put a rod tip up. Put a rod tip up. Stop reeling. Swing him in the boat. There you go.
Yay! My first fish.
You on board?
Is he big? He's too big. I'm too little. Should I throw him back?
That's up to you. You keep what you want to keep.
No, I'm keeping him. So, where's my whale?
Right there.
Okay.
All right, let me show you something.
You got any gloves? Huh? I like touching those suckers. He's gonna jump.
He ain't gonna jump. I got his lip.
Okay. Now where's the whale?
Right there, right here. Big Shirley alert. I should put it on the scale. That fish probably a pound and a quarter.
Let me kiss him.
There you go. You kiss them. They beautiful. They beautiful. Beautiful. Let me take a picture. Your jig is pulled down. It's all off your hook.
That's the same one.
Small too. All right, I think I done found a nursery. We're gonna have to get out the nursery. So just push it up on the hook. since you were in there, start reeling it in. Oh, that was a thump. You didn't feel that?
I did.
There you go. Reel, reel, reel. All right, don't let that slack on you. All right, oh, just line up right now. Swing. Now just grab the line.
You bigger?
Yeah, all right. Do you fillet everything or do you gut them? How you cook them? Huh?
Why they keep jumping?
Let me make life easy for you. Let me show you something. Hang on. Grab your jig. Grab your jig. Then you put your thumb. Take your thumb. Grab the jig. Grab him by the left. He ain't gonna move no more. We done. You grab him by that bottom lip. He don't go nowhere. He kind of small.
Don't
What do you gut them or do you fillet everything?
you fillet?
You fillet everything?
Yeah, my friend does.
Oh, well, there you go. Then this might be a small fillet. I felt you.
Oh, it is? Oh.
Real. These look pretty good. All right, hold on. This fish in the boat. That's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
She gonna keep.
No,
Give
no.
her some camera love.
Yay! So, grab
We
it
got-
by the...
Bottom lip. Well, first hold him over the boat. You don't want him to get away. There you go. Now just grab that bottom lip.
I'm scared. Ah, I can't touch it. He's gonna jump. Okay.
Oh shoot, that's what it was. That real all the way up.
Oh, he's down in there.
Need the needle nose?
Yeah.
Right there. Little bitty old thing here. What are you doing? Go on, grab bait.
Yay! Oh, yeah, throw him back.
Oh yeah, no doubt. All right, folks, we had some technical difficulties on this day, so that's going to do it for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. So remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.